Hello guys, we are now going to solve bank reconciliation statements quiz PQ2. So we write here PQ2. Let's see the question without losing the time. Two checks totaling rupees 8,000 were issued. So issued means we are giving our check to somebody else. So two checks totaling rupees 8,000 were issued within 31st December 2012 but were not presented for payment within the said date. So we can see here on 31st December 2012 the cash book of Mrs. Nepal Trading Concern shows an overdraft balance of rupees 50,000. So this is balance as per cash book. This means this is overdraft balance we need to do minus this is 50,000. So in PQ2 we can write in PQ2 now two checks totaling here balance as per cash book we have written, then our target is always passbook. Target right here, target passbook. If passbook said negative balance, then we need to do minus. If passbook said positive balance, we need to do positive. So we can see here two checks totaling rupees 8,000 were issued within 31st December. So we have given somebody a check, 8,000 rupees check. Two checks totaling 8,000 were issued. So we have given somebody the check, 8,000 rupees check. So we have given check though. So cash book is minus. We have recorded that cash book minus, and but we are not presented for payment. So the person who have taken our check, we have not gone for the bank to take out the money from our account. So in passbook there is positive balance because the person have not gone for to submit the check so that he can get the money. So in passbook there is plus balance only. In cash book we have minus, we have done minus. So we can write here in passbook there is positive balance, so we can write here 8,000 positive. This is positive balance. Now let's see two number question. 5 checks totaling rupees 60,000 were deposited during the month but were not credited by the bank. So 5 checks totaling were deposited during the month. So 5 checks were deposited on the check which we have got by other people, from other people's 60,000 of rupees 60,000. We have passbook. In passbook we have positive balance. When we got the check of rupees 60,000, we have in cash book we have already recorded that we have got 60,000 check. So we have done positive plus. We have done in cash book, in bank column we have done plus balance. And now that check we need to go to submit to the bank to get the money. So in bank we need to get the money in our account. So in bank there is the bank has not credited, so he have not done money. He have not filled our account with money. So in bank there is our negative balance only. So 60,000 there is 60,000 negative balance. 60,000 negative balance. Now let's see number. The bank credited rupees 5,000 on account of interest collected, but there was no entry in the cash book in that respect. So bank has credited our account. That means the bank has collected money. So in passbook there is plus balance, but in the cash book there is no balance. So our target is passbook. So passbook positive balance 5,000 is positive. Okay, right, 5,000 is positive balance. Now let's see D number. Bank statements or debit entries on the different dates of bank charging amount, but were not no entry in the cash book. In the bank statements or debit entries on different charges. Different dates bank, but were not entry in the. So bank has debited our money. That means they have taken away from our account money. So passbook is negative. So we need to write 250 negative. So on calculation of this we get the answer balance as per passbook. So thank you guys, subscribe my channel.